Hey guys, what we have here is an Anol Novo 7 ELF tablet which comes with the ice cream sandwich pre-installed, and we are going to do a quick unboxing of the same. The tablet comes in a 7-inch size, screen size, which is generally not in the terms of height or width but generally in the form of diagonally. So as you can see the picture here, which can give you more idea on the same. So the tablet comes with a 1024 by 600 pixels and with a 1 GB of RAM with Wi-Fi connectivity and different other features. So we'll be talking about these all features in the due course of time. So let us just first check out which model is this, and it's clearly indicated here that the tablet is a 8 GB model, while there are different other models also available like 16 GB, 32 GB and 4 GB. So it's pretty good enough, like 8 GB, because most of your data is again stored in the cloud. So let us just check out what all this tablet offers you. The first thing is it comes with the A10 processor with 1.2 GHz and 2160p resolution support with an HDMI support, DDR3, 1 GB RAM. Apart from that, Wi-Fi support, camera of 2 megapixels, which is a front camera, which is pretty good when you compare it with the other tablets which come up with a VGA camera in the front. And the best part is it comes with ice cream sandwich pre-installed. So let's just unbox the same and check out what all comes in this. We got this one through eBay, so you can also find out different sellers who are selling the same in case you are interested. So here we have the tablet, nicely packed. But the first impressions would actually make you feel sad, because you can see a lot of bubbles on the screen, and there are some huge bubbles on the left part of the screen, which clearly shows that these companies are not really interested into the perfection of their products and they are just looking into cheap selling. So anyway, from the looks and everything, it looks like a clone of the Anol Paladin tablet. Let us just check out the content of this package. What else have come up in this? So here, as you can see, there is some converter. Interesting. This time they have attached the headphones set, headset set into this. The charger. And extender for connecting this to your system. So that is pretty good. Apart from that, you get a warranty card probably, which is completely in Chinese, so it's quite hard to understand, but seeing the fields listed, it seems like it's asking for the name and other data. And then this is the warranty card, but since it's from China, you cannot expect any replacement as such. Apart from that, this looks like a product manual, but as mentioned earlier, this is again in Chinese, so it's not going to help you in any way. And since it comes with ice cream sandwich, if you are familiar to Android, then this is not a hard job for you. So apart from that, there is nothing in the box, and these are the package content. In the next video, we would actually review this tablet, and then we would show you a few demos of some HD videos playback on the same, along with the comparison of the Anol ELF tablet with the Anol Novo 7 Paladin tablet which we got earlier. So as you can see, there's a little bit of difference already in the size, even though both of the same are again 7 inches. So it's clear that the Anol ELF, the new one, looks a little bit bigger in terms of external dimensions, but again what is important is the performance and the other features. So stay tuned for the next set of our videos on the Annual Novo 7 ELF. Thanks for watching. Do subscribe for more.